Find or read reviews that people are talking about CABIHOME semi-automatic espresso machine. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. User-friendly LCD display. Animations of grinding and extraction processes appear on the LCD screen, delivering all precise details you need to craft your coffee exactly how you prefer, every single time. Helpful operation prompts also pop up, making it simpler to brew perfect espresso-based drinks with this coffee maker. High-pressure extraction for rich flavor. Stable, consistent high pressure maximizes crema from coffee grounds, unlocking richer, more aromatic taste. Driven by a 15-bar professional pump and 1,350 watts robust motor, this espresso machine with grinder guarantees exceptional flavor in every brew. Precise PID temperature regulation. Equipped with advanced PID temperature control, this espresso maker effectively monitors and reduces brewing temperature fluctuations, keeping water within the optimal range for ideal extraction results. Adjustable built-in Conical Burr grinder. A quiet built-in Conical Burr grinder lets you choose from 15 grind settings. With just one button press, you'll effortlessly get your desired grind size, streamlining the entire brewing process for this coffee maker. Barista-Quality Microfoam at home. Craft rich, creamy microfoam to boost coffee flavor and create stunning latte art right at home. The powerful steam wand of this latte machine for home easily whips up exquisite milk foam for beautiful presentations and delicious drinks. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.